Hi guys. Let's see how to share in File Explorer on Windows 10 computer. To share with others using Nearby Sharing via File Explorer, they must have a compatible PC and Nearby Sharing enabled. They also need to be nearby and accessible via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. To share a file, first open a File Explorer. Select a document inside it. Select Share menu from the ribbon. You can see a green color share icon below the ribbon and select Share button. There you can share for nearby devices as well. That's all about share in File Explorer on Windows 10 computer. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.